How has the Chinese economy rounded up for the first quarter? It is largely expected that the growth number would be very promising. But before the official figures roll out, we can check on one barometer, that is to see how many new businesses were registered in this period. The first quarter this year, a total of over 5.8 million companies were newly registered across the country. That is a year-on-year increase of 58%. Well, the high growth rate was due to the continued economic prosperity, and on the other hand, it benefited from low base effect because the first quarter of 2020 was battered by the COVID-19 pandemic. Now let's break down the distribution of registrations across the country. Jiangsu province surpassed Guangdong for the first time to become top one in new business registration with some 590,000 companies, and Guangdong ranked second with 568,000 companies, and third, fourth, and fifth places went to Fujian, Shandong, and Zhejiang provinces. Some other provinces with more than 150,000 registrations include Henan, Sichuan, Anhui, Hebei, Shanxi, Guizhou, Jiangxi, Hubei, and Hunan provinces. Now let's take a look at the growth rate. Those with an annual growth rate of more than 100% included Hubei, Fujian, and Beijing. And among them, Hubei province ranked first with a growth rate of more than 230%. Fujian's growth was close to 200% and Beijing over 100%. What is worth noticing is that Fujian and Guizhou provinces saw the rankings move up 5 places with outstanding performances, and Yunnan was the only one province that recorded a year-on-year decline. So, which industries or sectors were the most popular? Well, the biggest increase, with an over 400% growth, was in culture, sports, and entertainment, with more than 200,000 new companies. Running-ups are financial, IT services, and software. In addition, a total of 6,769 foreign invested enterprises registered in the first quarter. That is an increase of 73%. It's been 1 year since the foreign investment law was implemented at the beginning of last year. Various favorable policies, such as a shortened negative list, are likely to drive up the number of foreign invested companies in China. And state-owned enterprises saw a growth rate of 60%, which reflects their relatively high resilience amid risks and uncertainties. 2021 is the first year of China's 14th five-year plan. Strength in business registration indicates accelerating pace of recovery in the national economy and contributes to the country's whole-year growth target of 6%. Well, this year certainly got off to a good start.